Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am currently here in Baharchhara, Banshkhali, where preparations are already underway for the arrivals of Tarique Rahman tomorrow. In today's vlogs, I am going to show you what Baharchhara looks like right now, how the area is being prepared, and how people from different places are gathering here. First, let's take a look at the helicopter landings area. The helipad areas is being prepared for Tarique Rahman's arrivals. The surrounding area has been cleaned and necessary arrangements are being made ahead of tomorrow's event. Not only the helipad but the roads and communications roads are also getting attention. Several roads has been repaired and renovated while some areas are still seeing last minute work to make transportations easier for tomorrow. Meaning while BNP leaders and activists have started arriving in Baharchhara. Leaders from different levels are visiting the area, checking the preparations and making sure everything is ready for tomorrow. But BNP leaders are not the only political figures arriving here. Leaders of Jamaat-e-Islami have also been arriving in Baharchhara. Different level Jamaat leaders have been visiting the area, observing the situations and taking part in the preparations surrounding tomorrow's event. And perhaps the most noticeable parts of tomorrow's scenes is the arrivals of people from different places. People are coming not only from Baharchhara and nearby areas, but also from places further away. Some are coming to participate in the political gatherings, while others simply went to see Tarique Rahman in person. As the day progresses, the roads, markets and important points around Baharchhara are being increasingly busy. As a local resident, it's interesting to see how different the area feels today. The familiar roads and surroundings of Baharchhara are now taking on a completely different atmosphere as the areas prepares for tomorrow. At the same time, security arrangements have also been strengthened around important locations. Law enforcement personnel and organizers are working to maintain a safe and organized environment. So, overall, Baharchhara is now in the final stage of preparations. Tomorrow is going to be a significant day for Baharchhara. And finally, from all of us here in Baharchhara, we warmly welcome Tarique Rahman.